Hiya, it's Adam here. Basically, I'm just doing a quick short video. I've got some fantastic news of something that I discovered. Well, I was on a webinar at 4 AM this morning. Basically, the time of the webinar was 9 PM on the east coast of America. So in order to make the webinar, I was there at 4 AM this morning. And it was a fantastic choice to make. Discovered some great news of an upcoming relaunch, well, not even a relaunch of a product. It's been redone to make it even better for new people coming into affiliate marketing and wanting to learn and develop their skills for marketing online and becoming the best they can be when it comes to digital marketing and making money online. It's called Legendary Marketer. It's been around for a couple of years. It's created, or the CEO is a bloke called David Sharp, who's just a straight up top bloke. Everything I've seen about him is honest, he's clear. He comes from no sort of specific background, apart from about 10 years ago when he started doing internet marketing, and he has learned and developed and created the best, most amazing product. I'm glad I'm already part of it. However, with the relaunch, what they're doing is the Business Builder Challenge. That's right, the Business Builder Challenge. And what this does, this will give you a 14-day course completely for free to take you by the hand if you've not touched anything like this before, and take you step by step to teach you everything that you need to know to make money online or to start making money online. Once you complete the Builder Challenge, you'll have the steps and the building blocks in order to move forward with making money online. Okay, and that's when you can then increase or just stay exactly where you are, take away the knowledge that you've gained to that stage and just use that to carry on and start making money in this field. It's like I said, I joined it a while back. It's the best thing I've ever joined. It's amazing. I've learned a ton of information, and there's new information added to it weekly. This new version of it that they are bringing out is basically opening it up to a lot more people who have not touched internet marketing. And now, if you're new to this, or you've been around for a couple of years trying to get into affiliate marketing, trying to get into digital marketing or working online and making money online, this is the product you want. There is nothing else that even comes close to touching the quality of this product. And like I said, when it gets relaunched in, I think it's next week at some point, it is free. The Business Builder Challenge is completely free. I'll be sending the links out so you can go along, you can sign up, you can go through the challenge and decide exactly what you want to do, whether it's for you or not for you. However, I would recommend taking the chance. I paid a lot of money for it when I first signed up to it, and now you've got the opportunity to go and learn all the core steps and all the basics that you need to make money online and be a complete success. Okay, so I hope you take this on. There won't be any links underneath this video or anything like that, but as soon as it gets released next week, I'll be letting you know about it. Okay, so enjoy. Thank you.